Okay, children, by referring to the solutions of second, third, fourth and fifth, just now we have seen how to be simplified by using Bodamas. So refer those solutions of the expressions and you try yourself. Sixth and seventh, take it as homework. Please do try, because if you are not done yourself, if all the solutions are done by me, there is no meaning. So some expressions should be solved by you, then only you will be perfect in solving such expressions. So take 6th and 7th as homework. Now let me start 8th one. Look at your expression, children. 8th expression, bracket started. Till now you are not seeing the brackets. Now 8th onwards you are seeing the brackets. One bracket is used here, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 1 is to 2 by 3 into 1 is to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Before going to the Bodamas, first step is to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. Let us convert mixed fractions now. This 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 into 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Two mixed fractions were there, just converted to improper fraction. Nothing is done anything. So now we should use this Bodamas. See children, first is what? First operation is bracket. So here we should use the bracket. This one we should use now. So first one is bracket. So simplify bracket first. Don't go to the off now, because before off bracket is there, therefore we should start with the bracket. So simplify this bracket. Simplification of the bracket means add these two fractions. To add fractions we should take LCM of 3 and 9. So LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Okay. The common denominator of 3 and 9 is 9. So 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 2 3s are 6, plus 4 1s are 4. So this is what you will get. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 1s are 4. This all steps I will copy as it is, because I am just now simplifying bracket of 3 by 5 divided by 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Till now I am in the first operation only. Okay. Add this 10 by 3, 10 divided by 9. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 9. Now bracket simplified. Okay. Now let us go to the second operation. Of is here. Of means multiplication. Write 3 by 5. Right? Next operation, that is division, is here. Convert division to multiplication. So second fraction will be reciprocal. In the division, first we will write as it is, and second will be, we are writing its reciprocal. 5 by 3 will be 3 by 5. And this as it is I will copy into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Just children added 6 plus 4, used of means multiplication, again changed division to multiplication, and we wrote reciprocal. Now you can see all these are multiplications. We should find the product now. Next operation, fourth operation. We should use fourth operation, multiplication here, all into multiplied by. In multiplication what we will do? We will cancel numerator and denominator and we will write the product. So here I will cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, right? Numerator denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Numerator 3, denominator 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. This 3 ones are and 3 ones are cancelled. And this 5 ones are and 5 ones are cancelled. And here 2 is there. In the numerator 2 is there. And in the denominator 4. Numerator 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Carefully observe, children. Nothing is left in the numerator. Here also 1, 1, 1, 1. So only 1 is there in the numerator. And in the denominator, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 and 2. 1 twos are 2. In the denominator 2 is left. In the numerator 1 is left. All the numbers are cancelled. All the numbers are cancelled. Right? Minus 1 by 3. This full simplification is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 as it is kept here. So take LCM. 2, 3 LCM is 6. 2 3s are, 3 2s are, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 6 is the solution for this expression. Okay. Let me start with this ninth solution, children. I should go with the bracket first. First is the bracket. So I will go with the bracket first. Okay. I will start with the bracket. Bracket I will start. So under the bracket, again two operations are there, division and addition. Which one we should do first? We should do division first again, then addition. First is division, no? So do division here first. So to divide, change the sign, and 6 ones are 6. We should convert into improper fraction first. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 6. 7 by 6 reciprocal is 6 by 7. One step extra. One step I am just missing here. Actually you will get what? 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 can be written as 6 by 7 because we changed the sign, reciprocal. So plus 7 by 10 as it is into 3 by 4. Here children, we can cancel 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 3s are 3 twos are 6, 3 5s are 15. 3 twos are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now the numbers left are 2 into 2 4 divided by 5 ones are 5. 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5. Plus this 7 by 10 as it is we will copy. So outside the bracket 3 by 4 as it is we will copy. So simplify this addition. How? Take LCM 5, 10 LCM how much? 5 and 10 LCM will be 5 ones are 5 twos are. So you will get LCM as 10. So 5 twos are 10 and 10 ones are 10. Right? So 4 twos are 8 plus 7 ones are 7. This is still under bracket. Simplification we are doing still in the bracket. So now 8 plus 7, 15 by 10. Now bracket answer we got. The simplification which we are doing under the bracket, we got 15 divided by 10 multiplied by 3 by 4. So any possibility of cancellation? Any possibility of cancellation? No. So what you will do is, yes children, we can cancel here. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 2s are 8. So divide this 9 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 1. So this can be written in mixed fraction as 1 is to 1 by 8. 1 is to 1 by 8 is the simplification of this expression, right? Thank you.